Now in this video, I want to address something that beginners to organic chemistry often find it difficult, okay, which is drawing isomers. So isomers are compounds which have the same molecular formula but different structural formula. For example, butane, you know that from the general formula, is supposed to have 4 carbon atoms and 10 hydrogen atoms. So first things first, I'm going to draw a very simple one. First, I draw my longest carbon chain, which is what? 4, right? 4 is the maximum I can draw. And afterwards, I'm going to draw my H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, I'm not going to put in H because you already know that there should be H there. Now, if I'm going to draw an isomer for this, right? What I'm going to do is I can draw shorter chain, or I can draw longer chains. Okay, right now I have drawn the longest that I can. It's C4, right? So what's longer than 4 carbon atoms? Nothing. So my option is to draw a shorter chain. So I'm going to draw 3. 1, 2, 3. But notice here that I can put my another carbon here. Because why? Then my longest chain would become 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, which is still going to give me the same name as my original one. And that's why if what you draw produces the same name, then it's not an isomer no matter how visually different it is. So that being said, can I put it in front then? Okay, let me try this one. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put it here. Then, yes, you can add in your hydrogen as this is going to be H3. There will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 3, so it's 10, C4H10. But my longest chain is still this one, right? Which is 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, no matter which way I count. All these 3 will give me the name butane. So that's why this cannot be an isomer. So I have to draw a shorter chain. So this time I'm really going to draw a shorter chain. 1, 2, 3. Where can I put my remaining carbon here? I can only put here. Okay? So let's see what this name produces. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? 10 hydrogen, 4 carbon atoms. So what is my name here? Let's try to see my longest chain. Okay? Is it... I can try to do different things here. Okay? It can either be 1, 2, 3. Okay? So before that, let me copy this. I'm going to show you different ways that you can count. Okay, so this can either be 1, 2, 3, or this can be 1, 2, 3, or this can be 1, 2, 3. No matter which pathway that you pick, your longest chain right now is 3. So for this name, right, what is its name? So since this is 1, 2, 3, if I count it opposite, this will be 1, 2, 3. So it's still 2 no matter what. So this is 2 methyl, and then my longest chain is 3. So propane. If you use the same method, you will still get the same for these two. So these are not isomers for this one. This is not an isomer as well. So no matter how much you draw, no matter which way you pick, there's only 2 isomers of butane, which is 2-methylpropane and butane. Remember, you can try to draw the isomer, but if your isomer produces the same name, then it's not an isomer and it's wrong. Okay, so I'm going to delete these. Alright, so this is your only valid isomers.